A day in my life as a service girl. Pero bago ang lahat, may contest na naman ng mga akla. So for today's Keme, walang service si akla. Halika at samahan niyo kung puntahan natin ang ating kasama, si Kirara. So ayan na nga po, nakita na kami ng aking kaibigang fishy, endangered species. Chareng! Ayan na nga po, napasugod kami sa contest. Dahil susuportahan natin ang ating mamshi na si Miss Angelica Guevara sa kanyang pagbabalik ng tablado. So, ayan na nga po, on the way na kami papuntang Pasay. Kung di ako nagkakamali, sorry. Pasay City ang contest namin. Ayan na nga po, nakababa na kami sa Heritage. Walkato ng mga akla at nagutom ang mga akla. Syempre, lapang muna tayo. Tuhog-tuhog ng fishball. Ayan na nga po, narating na namin ang venue. At agad-agaran kami pumunta sa dressing room para hanapin ang aming manok, ang aming chicken na si Miss Angelica Guevara. Ayan na nga po, nakita na natin siya. Hi, Mamshi! Team Utik. So, fast forward, ayan na po, nag-start na tayo. Hindi pala tayo ng contest. Let's go. Proceed to candidate number 1. Oh, sabog ang costume ni candidate number 1. Pakinggan natin ang...
Layo-layo po ng aking pinanggalingan. Wala ho bang masigabong palakpakan at hiyaw? Ma, buhay! I am Gian Jill C. Halandra, a student of Makati Science Technological Institute of the Philippines, taking a Bachelor of Science Tourism Management. But tonight, this is a beauty pageant. Please allow me to stand by the name. Your one and only, ang nag-iisang, I'll touch myself na lang. Yes, opo. Ako nga po, ang nag-iisang Maris Racal. Maris Racal na nagsasabing, hindi mo na kailangan ng shabu at marijuana. Dahil sa akin pa lang, sabog ka na.
Oh, loko. Pasabog si candidate number 1. Siyempre, dito naman tayo sa candidate number 2. Pakinggan naman natin ang kanyang pakilala. Okay, napakaganda ni candidate number 2. Costume pa lang, angkel na. Bugog. Sige, magpakilala ka na. Candidate number...
Madlang people. My name is Mikhail Alcantara. 18 years old this summer na nag-iiwan ng isang kataga. Kung maganda ka, mag-candidate number 2 ka. Alright? Thank you.
Bug, loko. Di mo kaya kung maganda ka. Mag-candidate number 2 ka. Hindi number 1. So, ayan na nga po. Candidate number 3. O, loko. Pasabog ang costume. Babaihan si Aten. So, candidate number 2. Pakita mo kung sino ka. Pakilala ka na.
Lakpakan dyan. Wala rin hubang hiyawan dyan. Ilang libong taon na ang nakararaan, isang layunin ang pinagmulan. Ang pagkakabuklad-buklad ng sangkabaklaan patungo sa isang mahusay na pagpapakilanlan. Batid kong pawang matatalino, edukado, intelligent professional ang hurado natin sa gabi ito. Kaya sa mga iilang kandidata, ibigay ho natin ang 50% ng pagpapakilala. Bagkus, 50% ho ng mga manonood ay pawang mga bata. Hi! Hello and mabuhay! This is your queen, Claire Henderson, a 17 years old sonner who hails all the way last from the tribal city of the Philippines. Yes, I am from Pasay City, but tonight, since this is a beauty pageant, please do allow me to carry the image of the one and only, your Miss Grand 2024, Binibining CJ Opiasa. Binibining CJ Opiasa na nag-iiwan ng hindi ho bastos at hindi ho nakakatawa, ngunit isa lamang pong katotohanan na ang taong nagpapakataas ay ang siyang ibinababa. Ngunit ang taong nagpapakababa ay ang siyang itinataas. Because we are born to be true and never to be perfect. Marami pong salamat.
Oh, Bugs, loko. Di mo kaya, oh. So, candidate number 4, ang idol ko. Sige, ilaban mo yan. Bugogs, babaihan. Pakilala ka na, idol. Please. Loko.
Wala pong masusunugan ng bahay at lalong wala rin pong maaagawan ng jowa dahil ang hinihiling ko lamang po ay isang masigabong palakpakan. Maraming salamat po. You know what, ladies and gentlemen, I firmly believe that the physical attributes of a person as time will change, but the goodness of the heart will last for a lifetime. That's why one should be careful with your thoughts, because your thoughts may become your words. Your words may become your actions, and your actions may become your personality that will mold and defines one's destiny. Call me Yanil, Torino, Cebuche, and I am 25, all the way from the Tiger City of the Philippines, Mandaluyong City. And yes, I graduated as magna cum laude at the National University of Manila, who took up Bachelor of Arts in English Language Studies. But currently, I am studying my master's degree in Forensic Linguistics at the University of the Philippines, Dalaman. But for tonight, allow me to introduce myself as one of the game changers, one of the catalysts of change. Indeed, pen is mightier than sword. I am a journalist by profession and a beauty queen by passion. But for tonight, since it is a pageant, allow me to stand by the name of your one and only. Minsan na rin po akong napanood sa Telepantosetting Encantadia bilang si Sangre Lira at ang babaeng nagpatibok sa pihikang puso ni Mr. Paul Salas. Sabay-sabay po nating palakpakan, Miss Mikey Quintos. Mikey Quintos na nagsasabing, in this world full of choices, always choose yourself. Judges, the national costume that I'm wearing for tonight is proud to represent the divine grace and harmonious beauty of Trans Pinay. Mabuhay ang kababaihang Pinay! Mabuhay ang Trans Pinay!
Oh, loko, mabuhay ang Trans Pinay. Mabuhay! O go, Miss MJ Gamboa, Team Cavite. Galingan mo. Pambato rin ta, syempre, manok kita Caviteña kay. Pasabog ang costume niya. Costume pa lang, talent na. San ka pa, oh, full time. Dance mo yan, Mare. Ilaban mo. Okay, Mare, tama na. Pakilala ka.
Please, thank you very much. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, people of Pioneer Pasay City, I care not
what they say about the color of my skin. I let the brilliant light of my soul blind them. Things turn out to be the best for people who make the best out of the way things turn out. For hope is better than fear. Optimism is always better than despair. So let us all be loving, hopeful, and be optimistic. And we would definitely change the world. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. The girl is standing in front of all of you is a fresh and indeed 22 years old stunner who truly all the way from the basic essence of life, from the home of the little queens, all the way from the city of Tres Martires, puso ng Cavite. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Binibining MJ Gamboa Baramera Gonzalez, who proudly saying that I am the recently crowned as Reina ng Trece Martires 2025. But tonight, allow me to stand behind the name of your one and only beautiful girl who do really capture the sleeping heart of Mr. Dennis Trillo, and I am your 2015 most sexiest women on African Philippine magazine. People of Pasay City, nasa inyo pong harapan, nagbabalik ang tunay na kawangis, kamuka, singtindig, walang kaparis, walang kapantay, ang mas pinapresh, mas pinabata, ang may pinakamagandang version na gumagaya sa wangis ni Binibining Jeline Mercado na nagsasabi, bakla, Becky, bading, o charing-charing, anumang panglalait, pangungutya ang inyong itawag sa amin. Amin ho ang gabing ito sapagkat kailanman hindi natin makatakasan ang katotohanan na ang bakla, Becky, bading, o charing-charing na inyong nilait, tinutiat pinagtawanan sa pangumagahan. Bakit humayong gabi, inyo na pong pinagpupuyatan? Ladies, gentlemen, panel, board of judges, the traditional costume that I am wearing for tonight is one of the most famous, prestigious festival here in our country, the modern and originally Tinalak Festival, which truly all the way from the city of Coronadal, province of South Cotabato, Isla, Pilipinas. Thank you.
Oh, loko, pasabog. Oh, saan kayo dyan? Okay, let's proceed. Candidate. Next candidate. Okay, hindi ko makita ang number. Pero alam ko siya ay candidate number 6. Okay. Let's go na. Friendship. Pakilala na. Okay. O loko, Josa, di mo kaya. O candidate number 6, ilaban mo yan.
Give a man a fish, and he will live for a day. But teach a man how to fish, and address the main problems of why he is continuously struggling in life, then he will last for a lifetime. A miraculous evening to everybody. My name is Jaja Martinez. A fresh, indeed innocent, 22-year-old stunner. And I am all the way last from the historical places of Man, Daluyong City. I am currently finishing my degree in Bachelor of Science in Nutrition and Dietetics, a consistent Dean's Lister. For tonight, let me stand by the name. Minsan niyo na po kong napanood sa Kadenang Ginto. At ang babae, nagpatibok sa puso ni Mr. Kyle Echari. Opo, ako nga po nag-iisang Miss Francine Diaz na nagsasabing ang lalaking hindi marunong tumingin sa pinanggalingan, tsak, natulala sa aking kagandahan. Once again, good evening. Enjoy the show and I love you all. Thank you.
O loko, super babaihan kahit sa personal. Di mo kaya. Okay, candidate number 7. Ikaw naman, it's your time. Okay, may pa-surprise si candidate number 7. O loko, ginto-gintuan siya. Napakaganda ng kanyang national costume. Hindi mo kaya te, bugog. Babaihan. Go, candidate number 7. Ilaban mo yan. So, it's your turn. Magpakilala ka na. Candidate number 7.
Palakpakan dyan. Wala rin po bang masigabong hiyawan dyan? Maraming salamat po. A philosopher once said, bakla, bawal kang mapagod dahil mayaman ang tingin nila sa'yo. Kaya dapat magkatotoo. Napakahusay mo. Napaka-perfect mo. Boom! Ladies and gentlemen, standing in front of you is a fresh 23-year-old stunner hailing all the way from the fashion capital of the Philippines, Baclaran, Parañaque City. This is Binibining Dars Alano. But tonight, allow me to stand by the name of your calendar girl and your one and only Mondragon, Miss Andrea Brillantes. Miss Andrea Brillantes na nagsasabing, kailanman hindi mali ang pagiging bakla. Ito'y nagiging mali kung ikaw ang gumagawa ng sarili mong ikakasira. Once again, I'm your candidate number 7. Mark my number because I'll show and a night that you will remember. Thank you and good evening.
Thank you very much, candidate
O loko, babaihan lang ang attacking candidate number 7. So, ikaw naman, candidate number 8, pakita mo ang husay mo. Loko, super babaihan, hubog babaihan. Mula ulo hanggang paa, walang tapon. San ka pa? Lilipad na siya. Go, candidate number 8. It's your turn. Ikaw na.
Sa nilayo-layo ho ng aking pinanggalingan, wala po bang palakpakan dyan? Wala rin ho bang hiyawan dyan? Maraming salamat po. If diamonds were polished by friction, well then men were perfected by trials. Maya pabengi Diyos po kakayungan, or should I say, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Standing in front of you is a fresh and indeed 25-year-old stunner, hailing all the way from the global city of the Philippines, Taguig City. This is Miss Ish Coldura, a proud graduate of Rizal Technological University who took up Bachelor of Science in Psychology. And tonight, since this is a beauty pageant, allow me to stand by the name, ang babaeng bawal lumabas, ay pwede na palang uling lumabas. At ang babaeng minsang nagtanong sa inyo kung ikaw na ba ang icing sa ibabaw ng cupcake ko. Bakit hindi natin sabay-sabay palakpakan at hiyawan? Binibining Kim Chu. Binibining Kim Chu na nagsasabing, aanhin mo pa ang shabu, rugby, marijuana at lighter, kung sa akin pa lang, bugs, sabog ka na. Thank you. Mahusay.
Oh, loko. Walang bahi, babae, mula ulo hanggang paa. Okay, candidate number 9. Ikaw naman, ipakita mo ang iyong galing. Bugogs. Mamaihan. Loko. Babaihan. Oh. Di mo kaya. Costume pa lang. Panabong na. Sino ka dyan, ate girl? Sige, irampa mo yan. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang pagpapakilala. Magpakilala ka na, ate girl. Nauubos na ang oras. Cherries! Loko. Bagets na bagets, oh. Talent agad. National pa lang. Go!
Sa nilayo-layo po ng Bangkok, Thailand, wala po bang palakpakan?
Ako.
Wala rin po bang malakas na hiyawan dyan? Naimbag na pintas na kalabii kada kayo amin, what should I say? Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. By the way, my name is Irina Marie Saragosa. I'm 18 years old in Stunners in all the Willas from Pasay City. Bakit hindi ho natin sabay-sabay palakpakan o hiyawan ang nag-iisang babaeng ahas na kinalaban ni Darna? Opo, tama po kayo. Sabay-sabay ho natin palakpakan at hiyawan si Binibining Janela Salvador. Miss Binibining Janela Salvador ho na nagsasabi, tatlo lang ho ang masarap sa mundo.
Ano yun?
Una, pagkain.
Ana.
Pangalawa, pera.
Tama.
Pangatlo, ako.
Ay, God.
Kung hindi ka sigurado sa tatlo, chat mo ko pag walang tao sa bahay. Salamat po.
Ito.
Oh, loko. Thailander si Akla. Pero Bisaya magsalita. Cherries! Okay, candidate number 10. Ikaw naman, irampa mo yan. Pukok. Costume pa lang. Pasabog na. Kakulay niya yung stage. Pero Team Cavite yan, syempre. Chicken natin yan. Go, princess. Ilaban mo yan. Pakak. Oh. Bulag. Babaihan. Katawan babaihan. Mukha babae. Pakak. Sino ka dyan, te? Ha? Team Cavite yan. Chicken. Okay. It's your turn, princess. Ilaban mo na. Pakak. Mukaan. Pang face card. Pakak. Sino ka dyan? Ikaw na. Pakilala mo na, sister.
For the very last time, wala ho bang palakpakan dyan? Yung mas malakas. Yung pinakamalakas. Thank you so much. Faith, first education, before love and devotion. That is the best occupation for the young generation. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, sir and madam. I am Princess Marie Francisco, 24 years old, fresh from my hometown, from the historical place of Cavite City. Since this is a beauty pageant, to all audience tonight, please do allow me to stand by the name, the girl who captured the heart of every Filipino guy. Bakit di ho natin sabay-sabay palakpakan at hiyawan ang inyong Hara Danaya, si Binibining Sanya Lopez. I am a graduate of Hotel and Restaurant Management, major in food and beverages at St. Gregory College of HRM, and I am proud and humbled to share
that I am your Reyna ng Turismo, Cavite 2025 First Runner-Up. At nagsasabi sa inyong lahat dito na aanhin ko pa po ang aking kagandahan kung hindi ko naman po matitikman ang inyong kapitan. Thank you so much and enjoy the show.
Oh, Loco, Hakot Award. Sabog. Okay, next candidate, ikaw na. Ilaban mo yan. Pasabog na naman ang costume mo. Pakak, Mama Mary. Walang Mama Mary. Salita. Siyempre, chicken natin yan. Si Miss Angelica Guevara, kung bakit tayo napadpad dyan para suportahan ang ating Mamshi. Go Mamshi, ilaban mo yan. Walang Mama Mary nagsasalita. Go. Go Mamshi, it's your turn. Pukok, oh. Mukaan, walang bahid. Face card ata yan. Bugogs.
Good evening, ladies, gentlemen, and to those who are in between. My real name is Orlando Guevara Jr. And tonight, I am proudly standing behind the name of my very own personality. My name is Angelica Guevara. And I am very proud to say that I am 34 years of age. Because ma'am, sir, and to those who are in between, I fucking believe that age is just a number. As long as you're always smiling and you have a positive outlook in life, I believe that we can look forever young, with or without science. Once again, this is Angelica Guevara. I am a proud graduate of Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Operations Management, and I am a humble cum laude graduate all the way from the SDI College of Dasmariñas. And tonight, I am truly and proudly representing the city of Dasmariñas, province of Cavite. Thank you and please enjoy the show. Maraming salamat po.
Oh, Loco. Age is just a number. Bugogs. Sino ka dyan? Face card ng Cavite. Good luck, Mamshi. Okay. Dito naman tayo sa isa nating chicken. From Cavite rin. Miss Ash Aldama. Pang face card din ang laban ni Mama. Oh, sino ka dyan? Pasabog. Costume pa lang. Pang title na. Go Mamshi, ilaban mo yan. Mom's Ash. Loco, may pa-background pa siya ng LRT kakulay niya. Pasabog. Boses babaihan. O go Mamshi, irampa mo yan. It's your turn, Bugog.
People of Pasay City, wala po bang palakpakan dyan? Wala po bang hiyawan dyan? Wala po bang pagkain dyan? Joke lang. In a world where everyone would like to be noticed, I prefer to be remembered. I may not be the prettiest, the sexiest, or probably not your most talented candidate. One thing is for sure, I am authentic, and I am always ready to give them a good fight. Hello everybody, my name is Ash Aldama Simonias, 26 years of age, all the way from the historical capital of the Philippines. You are correct, I am from Kawit, province of Cavite. I am a social media manager, a tourism ambassador, and I am proud to share, and humbled as well, that I am your first ever Reina ng Turismo Cavite 2023. But tonight, since this is the battle of screen name, allow me to stand by the name of your one and only lady who once captured the heart of Mr. Aljor Abrenica. Magbigay pugay sa inyong Reyna Amihan, ako po, si Miss Kylie Padilla. And tonight, as we vie for the crown, come what may, I am here to slay. Thank you very much.
Pasabog, boses pa lang, ulam na. Okay, candidate number 13. Ilabas ang amats. Loko, ganda ng amats. Pasabog. Loko. Pakita ang emote ng muka. Candidate number 13. Pasinang pa-emote ng muka, mama. Pasabog, laban na laban si mama. Costume pa lang, pambabaihan na.
Good evening, people of Dream Pioneer. Patawari siya sa katarapag. Go na. My real name is Cyril Marcelo, who truly all the way from the home of the human living Bobby dogs, from the home of the brave, Manila. Saan mo? Manisa. Because this is a pageant, please to allow me to stand by the name. Ang binansagan ng lahat na kalamansi. Asin yan. Ang nagpauso ng samsarap. Sorry. Bakit di niyo po sabay-sabay hiyawan at palakpakan ang nag-iisang samsarap? Miss Samsara na nag-iwan ng isang hatagang, hindi lahat ng masarap pwede tikman. Ay, in short, kuya, masarap ka nga, hindi ka naman minahal. Thank you.
Oh, loko, masarap ka nga, pero hindi ka minahal. Pasabog. The last but not the least, candidate number 14. Check natin kung pang face card si candidate number 14. Loko. Sino ka dyan? Pasabog. Bugog. Oh. Babaihan. Sino ka dyan? Iba ata napuntahan mong contest, Mima. Tsereng. Siyempre. Power of Cavite rin yan. Miss Bea. Bunda. Ilaban mo yan.
Lugar na kung saan wala ka pa man din ginagawa, puro isyo ka na, sandamakmak ang taong chismosa. Saan pa ba? Barangay 189! Joke lamang po. Tonight is a celebration of beauty, but judges, don't forget my beautiful personality, because in this generation, beauty is a choice. But for me, I don't have a choice. That's why I am an advocate of embracing uniqueness, beauty. Because pageant is not just about having a perfect body type and body. It is about showing uniqueness to everybody. Ako po, si Ariel Balida Basiara, aka Bea Bunda, ang mananahing kontesera ng Dayjong Apparel and Corporation, sa Rosario, Cavite. At ako po ang baklang, minsan ang tumuntong sa entablado ng Miss Q&A August 18, 2017, Season 1, at December 13, 2018, Season 2. And I believe that being here on the stage is not just a battle to get the crown, to win the title, or to have the prize. This is a battle between me, myself, and I, to show people the advantage of being who I am. That I'm a person who lives in one body, with two personalities, and hundreds of responsibilities, not only in the family, friends, in the society, but not in this world, because I, as a homosexual, believes that I can reach the top of the world. At naniniwala po ako muli na hindi ko man tumabot ang antas sa inyo ng tunay na ganda, ipikit nyo na lamang po ang inyong mga mata dahil walang pangit sa taong di marunong manghusga. Magandang gabi.
Oh, walang pangit sa hindi marunong manghusga. Magandang gabi. So ayan na, proceed na tayo ulit sa swimsuit competition. Candidate number 1, ilaban mo yan.
Alejandra, aka Miss Marisa Raon. She's 20 years old, stunner, all the way from Pasay City.
Balança a bunda agora, eu quero ver você descer. Balança a bunda agora, eu quero ver.
Candidate number 2 is si Maykat Alcantara. Ayan.
Deixa a timidez de lado, puxa amigo e vem dançar.
Miss Hidi Opiasa pa.
Tudo que cê sabe, o Guga vai analisar.
Ano oras ang kasal bukas?
Mostra tudo que cê
Yung mga ikakasalagahan nyo ha. Kasi para sayang to kung di mo
pode
magagamit.
sentar,
Wow!
pode
She's done the 5 feet and 5 inches tall.
Pode dançar pelada se tiver muito excitada. Pode dançar pelada.
Naglalakad pa lang, video
Deixa a
okay.
timidez de lado.
Wow!
Mostra tudo que cê sabe, o
Ang
Guga vai
ganda ng mukha, tol!
puxa amigo e vem dançar. Mostra tudo que cê
Ay,
sabe.
usog kayo ng konti. Balik kayo dun sa palengke.
Pode sentar,
Okay, usog kayo, ihiya ko kayo.
pode sentar, pode sentar.
Wow.
Se tiver muito excitada.
Candidate number 4 is Yuniel Asibuche, also known as Mikey C. Mikey Quintas. Ayan.
Balança a bunda.
Wow, lawas! Ganyan ang katawan. 3 weeks walang hapunan. Ganyan ang katawan. Candidate number 6, Miss Francine Diaz. Ang ganda ng mukha. Oh. Ang ganda ng katawan. Ba't mo akong ano? And she is 22 years of age. Wow! And she is kind of 5 feet and 6 inches tall. Ayan. Oh.
Puxa amigo e vem dançar.
Candidate number 8 is Miss Kim Chu.
Pode sentar.
Oh.
Pode sentar. Pode.
Ganyan ang katawan.
Se tiver muito excitada,
Pang side
pode dançar
burn.
pelada. Se tiver muito excitada, pode dançar pelada. Eu duvido nem você.
Grabe.
Agora eu quero ver você descer.
She's kind of 5 feet and 6 inches tall. Ayan.
Balança a bunda agora, eu quero ver você descer.
And she's 19 years of age. Oh. And she's kind of 5 feet and 6 inches tall. Ayan. Naka! Manika! Wow! Ay, naka! Oh, so. Candidate
number 10 is...
Miss Sanya Lopez.
Siyempre, proceed tayo sa swimsuit ni Mamshi Angelica. Go, Mamshi, ilaban mo yan. Pakak. Sige, Mamshi, puk, ulam. Sino ka dyan?
Our candidate number 11 is Angelica Ibarra.
Oh. Face card, malala. Ang ganda ng mukha nyo. AI ba kayo?
Her medal is 6 on 34, 26, and 36.
Di ako nagalaw ng bakla, tol. Tagal ko nang binitawan yung bisyo na yan. Ganyan katawa ka. Payat, lawas. Dapat ganyan lang yung dibdib. Babae lang. Tapos, masakit lang. Sino? May koyo. Ganyan.
Once again, let's give a round of applause for candidate number 11, Miss Angelica Ibarra.
Ang ganda ng mukha niya, no? Ang ganda ng mukha niya, no? Sana ikaw din. Ganyan.
Our candidate number 12, Miss Ash Aldama.
Aubrey, ready may plan.
She's also known as Miss Kylie Padilla.
Ganda ng mukha. Sige, sige, pausukan mo para hindi makita ng pamilya pag nawala. Hiyata ka. Ginagawa niyo lamo ko mga bakla. Sige, pausukan niyo. Wow. Kumakain ako bukas. Ganyan yung katawan. Oo, diba?
Her medal is 6 on 36, 26, and 36. Oh! Emosyon! Oh!
Emote! Ayan! Oh. Ganyan, ganyan ang dapat ang ano mo, ang emote mo, the remote.
Yay!
Ah.
Our candidate number 14 is Miss Bella Bunda, also known as Miss Ariela Arriba.
Oh. Ganyan! Dapat matapang ka. Ay, President Simpson to sa pamilya nila. Ganyan ang katawan kapag tumahod na. Ano ba araw bukas? Linggo? Sahod. Oh. At ari ay lalaman mo, mababa. Buksan mo pa. Wow! Wala bang palakpakan dyan?
Binuksan na nga!
Ngayon ka lang nalaman, bakla pala si Piccolo.
Candidate number 1 is Miss Marisa Cal, all the way from Baclaran, Parañaque.
Ayan. Marisa Cal is a former member of
Michael Alcantara is 80 years old. Number 2 Miss Claire Henderson, also known as Miss CJ Opiasa. She is 17 years old, all the way from Pasay City. Once again, our candidate number 4 is Leo Lorino Acevoche, also known as Miss Mikey Quintos. Once again, our candidate number 5 is MJ Gamboa. She is also known as Miss Genevieve Mercado. Miss Genevieve
Can't figure it out. Something about her.
is also known as Miss Francine Diaz.
She's something very wrong. She's quite effortlessly. She moves like a ball.
She is 22 years old stunner. For having life watching F1 is Alano. She's also known as Miss Kim Chu.
Sa lahat ng naglongga. Gusto, wala na may abot, babatiin pa yun. Hi, Jo! Ayan, diba? Ayan ang kamakontes
Once
na
again, we're candidate number 8
wala yung katawan ng kaluluwa.
She's also known as Miss Janela Salvador.
Yeah. Mukha siyang babae.
Sa'yo, kapag pagod na ako.
Ang ganda.
Tama ba bang init na yakap mo ang
Malinis.
hinanap ko?
Once again, our candidate number 10 is
Gusto ko
Prince Francisco, also known as Miss Sanya Lopez.
Pa-princess talaga binabagayan.
Our candidate number 11 is none other than Miss Angelica Ibarra.
Ayan, binabati naman ang kaibigan ko na naman. Live! All the way from Abu Dhabi, Rian Mendoza, ang aking kapatid. She's watching.
Her motto live life to the fullest.
Birthday love.
Her gown designed by Wen Alvarez by Wen Couture. Once again, let's give a round of applause to our candidate number 11, Miss Angelica Ibarra.
Kaya maraming salamat sa mga anak ko rito na Skutay. Napakabait, sus ko. Pinag-aaral yung nanay ko. Bakala, graduate siya kaya high school.
Ay, ako. Once again, let's give a round of applause to our candidate number 11, Miss Angelica Ibarra. Miss Ash Aldana. She is also known as Kylie Padilla. wedding hoops. It's none other than Miss Irene.
So ayan na nga po, hanggang top 10 announcement lang po ako. Hindi ko na po tinapos dahil inaantok na ang akla. Panoorin nyo na lang po yung announcement ng top 10. Syempre, pwesto ang Team Cavite, hindi nalaglag. Congratulations nga pala sa Team Cavite, lalo na sa iyo, Ma'am si Angelica, sa pagbabalik entablado. Congrats mo ah.
Ano yun? 500 ka? Ano yun? Number. Candidate number 14.
Ang lungkot, 18.5 pala.
Funny candidate number. Candidate number 6. Our third stop ay nakuha ni candidate number. Candidate number 7. Followed by candidate number 2.
Ano ba number mo? Ako na natatawag sa'yo, tapos tawagin mo yung number ko. Sige na.
Yan, pasunod-sunod ako para hindi tayo magulo.
Ano yan?
Candidate number para sa ating ikalima na, no? Tama ba?
Ano yan?
Nasa isa. Panglima, candidate number 11.
So, ang hirap nito, alam mo. Dapat ito 90% intelligent, 10% diabetes.
Ang ating kaaning candidate number. Wala na, pagod yung DJ natin. Hindi na nagpakit ko. Candidate number 5, Miss Jeline Mercado. Our 7th slot ay nakuha ni candidate number 8.
Si Ish.
Si Ish. Ay, be, palit kayo, be. Para sunod-sunod tayo. Ganyan kasi ang pagkakasunod natin sa talent function, okay? And question and answer. Pangilan na? 3, 6, 7. Ang ating ikawalo ay si candidate number.
Sagit lang. Ako natawag kasi anak ko yan eh. Pangilan na to? Our 8 semi-finalist, and that is candidate number. Padala po tayong 2 valid ID ha. Number.
Candidate number 10.
A step forward to be followed by candidate number.
Candidate number 12. And to complete our top 10 is none other than candidate number 4. Hey, candidate number 1, candidate number 3,
Congrats, Team Cavite! So all the winners, especially Miss Angelica Guevara. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!